Why is it important to measure precisely when you're cooking or baking? The main reason is that your food may not turn out and you may not be able to serve it to your family. Maybe too salty, not salty enough, too sweet, not sweet enough. Your cake may be too dense. Your cookies may be hard as bricks. But measuring properly also has some other consequences. One, you've wasted all your time and effort if your food is inedible, and also you've wasted those ingredients, which in this day and age with food prices the way they are, we really can't afford to waste those ingredients. So the food may be inedible. We may have the wasted food. Your family will be upset because they don't have a good meal, and you may be extremely embarrassed if you're cooking for company and your food is inedible. I have seen people who can just add a little of this, a handful of that, and it turned out perfectly fine. I personally am not one of those people. I have to measure, so I have all sorts of measuring tools that I use, different kinds. But in something like making jelly or jam or any kind of canning, it's even more important to measure correctly, because otherwise your jam or jelly won't gel and it won't be so. The entire batch may be so runny that you'll either have to toss it out and start over and waste all those ingredients, or go to the trouble of remaking the batch. So in jam and jelly, I recommend using the same measuring cups and spoons for all ingredients, because sometimes it's hard to get an exact measurement on some measuring cups like this. If you're looking at it sitting on the counter, your measurement may look different than if you set it on something at eye level so that you can tell how the measurement is. But it's very important, no matter what you're cooking or canning, that you measure accurately so that there's no waste involved. Thanks for stopping by.